Hi, I'm Eric Agnello. I'm the VP of Sales and Business Development for Harris Aerial. We're located out of Orlando, Florida. We're here at Commercial UAV Expo. So we produce high flight endurance, high payload capacity aircraft. We've been in business for about 10 years, and we're fully NDAA compliant. Everything is built in Florida. We even cut our own carbon fiber, machine all our own parts. About 85% of what's in that aircraft is made right in Florida by our guys. So this is our Coax 8, the HX8. Can carry up to 8 kilograms. Flight time with a 5 kilogram payload, which is pretty standard for most LiDAR systems, things like that, remote sensing payloads. You're getting about 30 to 40 minutes of flight time with about 5 kilograms. 8 motors, so you have good redundancy if you happen to lose a motor. This is our kind of our entry level model, so to speak. Next over here is our H6 electric. So this is a hexacopter, so 6 motors. As far as flight time and payload capacity are concerned, nearly identical to the HX8. The difference is being the H6 is convertible from full electric to gas electric hybrid, which about triples the flight time, or hydrogen powered, which also about triples the flight time. And you can convert the H6 back and forth between those 3 different configurations in about 10 to 15 minutes. It's about a 10-minute process can be done in the field.
I know we were looking at the supply time.
Also, we're
I guess Canada.
Actually, it might be better to show this. So this is the same aircraft we just looked at, the H6, but this is the gas electric hybrid version. So if you look underneath here, that's your gas generator. So that generator continuously power cycles and charges the small batteries that are on board. So that's how it's able to achieve much longer flight times. So again, with about a 5 kilogram payload on this one with the gas electric generator on board, you're getting about 2 hours of flight time. The upside of the generator, having the generator configuration is obviously flight time. The downsides would be it's quite loud. It sounds a little bit like a flying lawnmower. So if you're in an area where noise is going to be an issue, not awesome. But and also at very high altitudes, the gas generator does not operate as efficiently. So max operational ceiling for this aircraft with that kind of a payload on board, about 5 kilos, would be about 3,000 feet above sea level. Anything beyond that, you're going to start to lose efficiency. So, which with the H6 means you say if you're going to be flying, if you're in Colorado or something, you're flying, taking off 5,000 feet above sea level. Full electric configuration. And each configuration kind of has its own pros and cons, but that's what's great about the H6. It's very versatile. Switch those different configurations. Cruise back over here. And this is our big one. This is the H6HL heavy lift. So this aircraft can carry up to 40 kilograms max payload. And it can carry 40 kilograms for about 15 minutes. What's under there right now is the Regal VQ 848G Phoenix LiDAR Hydro Ranger with the Regal sensor. So it can carry that, for instance, for about 30 minutes. And that's I think a 35 kilogram payload. So these are obviously over 55 pounds, so you do need the waiver, the exemption from the FAA. Used to be a treacherous process to get that, but it's now pretty easy. That's our offerings. We also have we do our own programming for Q ground control. So we have our own version. It's called HA ground control. We can program it to basically control any kind of gimbal, camera, payload, to where you can see that on the GCS. And yeah, that's Harris Aerial in a nutshell.